So I was pulling out of, remember the gas station up the block from us in Astoria?
Yeah.
I pulled out and I was like, I guess I looked back for something, and there was a street sign, like a no parking street sign, and where the front, I don't know how it explains, but like where the door hinges and where the front bumper meets, there's like a crease right there, and it hit there. And it bent it backwards, so my car door couldn't open more than like this. So then I brought it to the guy that both of our dads know, the mechanic that was on 23rd Avenue.
Yeah.
Yeah. And
Joe's garage.
Joe, yeah.
Yeah.
And he used some tool on it where he like put a crowbar in and there was like a thing on a track and he like, it was like a weight and he threw the weight back and it popped the thing out. And he's like, "You're good."
Damn.